Welcome back to the CryptoNest. So a few news. So Bitcoin is falling. Well, I don't know. Is it though? So a lot of time when I see those kind of article, it makes me more bullish, honestly, because I find that so it means that someone is trying to push the narrative and scare people. So if that is the case, they want people to sell their Bitcoin to them. And then if they sell to them, honestly, they are selling to me as well. Okay, so the CEO of Coinbase, he asked the government, I would say, to clear crypto regulation, and that eventually would end up to be a matter of national security. Because if you continue to be that foggy with rules and law, eventually people, they will get fed up, and then the companies, they will leave the country and go in a country that they're more crypto friendly. So I don't think it's bad advice, honestly, because at the end, it's like if you're playing a game with someone else and it's your first time, and when you start to play and then you start to do something, the other person says, no, this are not allowed. But no, how can you know the rules if you no one tell you at the beginning? So usually that's how it works. If you play a game, you say the rules first, and then we play. We don't make up rules while we are playing. Otherwise, what's the point of playing, right? Okay, so this is one. And what was the other one? Yeah, so we need to be aware that next week there is an interest rate for Canadians. So it's Wednesday, the 8th of March at 10 a.m. The forecast, it's an increase to 0.25. So we will see if we get there. And also, so it means, an increase of 0.25 on 8th of March. And actually here they were having a forecast. Did I already pass it? I think I passed it. Yeah, okay, here. So they say this should be the last increase. After, we're going to have the next 4 meetings after next week. They will, the forecast is no increase. We just say steady at that level. And then in October, they're expecting a decrease actually of 0.25. That would be very great. And I would be so grateful, because my mortgage is a variable and it's killing me. Alright, so also, senators grill Binance. Well, it's not new. Nothing new since September, October, since FTX went down. After that fraud, now they're trying to put it on the shoulder of CZ and Binance. So maybe they want to clear out the space for other exchanges that will not make the name. And also, the Japanese, they're having an election, and then it looks like the new direction that they are going to take is to keep less USD currency in their portfolio, if you want, holdings, and then maybe flip it and hold more gold. So if that is the case, it's going to maybe, if they substantially liquidate their USD holdings, is going to push the price lower for the USD, which is not also good for crypto. So let's see how it goes about that. So the date we need to retain is the 8th of April. So in April, we need to be aware that there is this possibility. And actually, it's not only Japan. There are some beliefs that maybe other countries will start to do the same thing. So let's be aware of that as well. So I think this already covered that BUSD is being delisted in Coinbase. Alright, so now let's dig into Bitcoin. So as you remember, if you are a returning viewer, I keep saying that wave 4 are very long and boring and exhausting. Do you feel exhausted? because me, I'm just start to be really fed up. I just want something to move down, move up, but do something. Anyway, so up to now there is no changement. The RSI is still in decline. MACD, maybe we can actually draw an uptrend line if we see these momentums here, but up to now we don't have any bullish divergence for a moment. We didn't do any bullish crossover yet. We're still in a decline. RSI is the same, and we are still in this possibility of a wave 4. So what else can I say? Also, this possibility that maybe here the wave 4 was it was actually finished, and this is wave 1. And when I did the Fibonacci retracement, this is the retracement for the wave 2. And we are there, we are forever there. It doesn't look like Bitcoin want to move. So I don't know what is waiting for, but yeah, that's where we are. As you can see, I draw an uptrend line here. So let's see if it's going to decide something. Actually, in this last 4 hours, it did also touch this trend line and reacted as a support. So now let's see, we have a support here, support here, support here, and then trying to break this resistance. Now where it's kind of is seated a little bit on top. Now is under, I don't know. Do something, do something. All right, so this is I would say my moment of I don't know. Anyway, so we can see now that maybe we're going to even start to do a bearish crossover. Are we going to start to be in negative momentum? I don't know. It's, as I said, it's boring. So the only thing we can see is that we need to be patient, and then hopefully Bitcoin is going to decide what it's going to do, because what can I do? I cannot do anything. You can just keep doing some trend lines. Now I can put one from here to here, and then that's it. And then let's hope for the best. Alright, so hopefully, well, I don't think it did help for the charting, but at least you got some news, alright? But let's be positive. Tomorrow it's Friday. I'm sure tomorrow is going to be a nice, amazing Friday day and a bullish one. So please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a nice Thursday.